I'm Karan, and in this video, we'll explore how to create your referral flows. So, when you first create your campaign, you have two options where your affiliates or your existing users can join your program from, right? Is it via your website or is it via Referral Rocket? In this video, we'll first take a look at what that experience would look like when you first select via my website as the option, in which case you would be asked to provide a share URL, which is the URL that new users will land on, right? This is your product page, this or a home page or a sign up page, right? And you, if this is your product or a sign up page, just say yes in the next question. Now let's take a look at that. Look at what that experience will be for your customers. So there's two ways your users can join your program. One is you embed the form on your website. The other way is you redirect the users to your form on Referral Rocket. Both the experience are the same. And let me show you an example of one of our customers who have something similar. So here's an affiliate page for one of our customers. You've seen they've created a page dedicated to the affiliate program, and they have a button over here which says join affiliate program. When an affiliate clicks on this button, they are redirected to a form that they can fill out to get their unique link. This is one example. The other example is you create again a page with all the information, but instead of redirecting, you just embed the form directly on the page so that you don't have to redirect the user to a different page. Now, we have enough information on our document page in terms of how to install or embed a widget on the page. So if you go to the campaign section and go into installing your referral program, there are 4 or 5 different options on how you can create those flows, including embedding or adding the form on your website. So as a user, let's say now I'm an affiliate or I'm an existing user, and I can, of course, I don't need to add this information. If you have your users logged into your application, you can pre-populate and generate the link automatically for them. But in this case, let's say you're running an affiliate program and your affiliates land on this page where they get all the information about your program and they're interested to join your program. So they add in the information, agree to your terms and condition, and hit submit. When they hit submit, they get a unique link of your product. As you can see, this is the URL that we've added with their referral code. Now they can use this code and they can share this with their network. Now, as a new user, when I use that link, I would land on the homepage of this website where I see the product, I like it, and I make a decision to purchase it. One of the first steps that I do is when I land on this page, one of the things as a business owner you need to do is make sure that you add a tracking script on this page so that we can easily track the referrals. Now, as a user, I decide to make a purchase. So I go into the pricing page, and for the purpose of this demo, I've included Stripe checkout directly on the homepage rather than logging in, but it's the same experience. I'm using payment links. So depending on the Stripe product that you have, you can set up tracking differently for Stripe, right? I'm using payment links. So in this case, when I land on the pricing page and I click on the buy button, which is a payment link, I am redirected to Stripe's checkout page. And let's say I'm a new user, and let's call the email address June 13, which is today, and let's add in our information. All right. Let's select this and let's pay. All right, okay, so the payment has gone through, and now let's take a look at how the referral was tracked. So you can see that for June 13th, this user is now eligible for a reward because we're able to track the referral through the Stripe integration. So very straightforward, very easy to implement. There's a lot of documentation in terms of how to, build this flow that you see where, again, users land on a dedicated page where they can join your program, or you can just redirect them to our page where they can join your program. They get a unique link that they can share with their friends. They can also see the status of their progress. There's a dedicated portal which they can sign up to see more details about their progress. And the friends can then directly land on your program, make a purchase. As long as you've integrated with Stripe and correctly set up the tracking for Stripe, you should be easily able to track referral tracking with our system. Now, what if you have a question? I'm not using Stripe, or we are not directly using Stripe. What is the other options? So we'll explore that in the next video.